When evaluating and weighing the different alternatives open to us, one of the key things we have to keep in mind is the business value that we're able to create with each solution. There are multiple different methods we can use to help get a look at what that business value might be. Two of these are the payback period and return on investment. The payback period is the amount of time until a project's investment has reached the break-even point. This can be important for organizations where resources might be constrained, or really for any organization that needs to know not only what the total benefit might be, but how quickly they might be able to achieve it. Longer payback periods also indicate greater risk because there's more things that could go wrong or more conditions that could change while that payback is still occurring. Let's look at two different options here. Solution A is a $3 million project that results in $400,000 of savings per year, according to our estimates. Here, we would see that there's a $3 million investment and divide it by $400,000. That would allow us to reach a figure of 7.5, indicating a payback period of 7.5 years. Solution B, on the other hand, is a $2 million project resulting in savings of $160,000 per year. This project costs less, but the savings per year aren't nearly as great. The payback period on this one would be $2 million divided by $160,000, equal to 12.5. That means 12.5 years, indicating that solution A is the one with the better payback period, even though it does cost us more up front. Return on investment is our estimated net benefit divided by the total investment that's going to be required. However, we don't typically take ongoing costs into account when calculating our ROI. Instead, we're looking purely at those upfront costs and the return that we can expect on the back end. That means that ROI is more or less effective depending on what you would expect your ongoing cost to be and how substantial that is relative to the project at large. Let's look at an example of ROI being calculated. Solution A involves costs of $500,000, but we expect total benefit of $595,000 over time. If we take $595,000 and subtract $500,000 from it, and then we divide that remainder by $500,000, we would get a ROI of 19%, indicating a return on our money of 19%. Solution B would involve $750,000 in costs, but $935,000 worth of expected benefit. We're spending more here, but we're also receiving more benefit. However, is the ROI higher? Well, when we subtract $750,000 from $935,000, giving us our expected benefit, and then we divide it by our initial investment of $750,000, we arrive at a number of roughly 24.67%, indicating that solution B results in the higher return.